Oh no! The farm! It's all flooded! What will we do now? Hey! Panda's here! Maybe together we can fix this mess.
Wait a second. Let's rebuild everything, stronger than before.
Okay, let's clean up first. We can do this together.
Ugh, so heavy. But we're not giving up.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Wow, the sun's back. Time to grow again.
Let's plow the soil and make it ready for new life.
Careful now! Tiny seeds, big dreams. A little water and a lot of love.
Whew, farming is hard work, but so worth it.
Oh no! Not again! Hold on tight! We have to save our plants!
Look! The storm's over and everything survived. Ow! Look at that! Baby tomatoes already growing! It's harvest day! Let's fill every basket we have. My tomatoes!
Wait! Let's use the shovel as a ramp. Problem solved.
See? Working together always wins.
We did it! Our farm is alive again!
Time to go home again with hearts full of joy. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe!